travel adventure.
Hey there, time travelers. Welcome to our incredible journey through history in time travel adventure. I'm your host, Pop, and today, we're going on an epic quest to explore the wonders of ancient civilizations. Our time machine is powered up and ready to take us back thousands of years. Get ready to witness breathtaking sights and meet legendary figures from the past. Come and explore the fascinating world of the pharaohs. Imagine standing in front of massive pyramids that reach up into the sky, and deciphering ancient writings called hieroglyphics that reveal stories of a magnificent history. We invite you to join us on this journey as we unveil the secrets and wonders of the Egyptian civilization. Ever wondered how the pyramids were built? Let us find out. Now, brace yourselves for an adventure in the land of ancient Greece, the birthplace of philosophy, art, and democracy. Welcome to Athens, the city of wisdom and knowledge. Here, great thinkers like Socrates and Aristotle pondered life's most profound questions. Our time machine has one more destination: the magnificent land of the Mayans, hidden deep in the Central American rainforests. Let us travel back in time. Behold the grandeur of Chichen Itza, where the Mayans built incredible structures and developed an advanced understanding of astronomy. Join us as we unlock the secrets of their mysterious calendar and learn about their fascinating civilization. Our time-traveling adventure through ancient civilizations has come to an end, but the memories will last forever. Remember, history is not just about dates and facts, it's a tapestry of incredible stories waiting to be discovered. If you had an amazing time traveling with us, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Time Travel Adventure for more epic escapades through time. Until our next thrilling expedition, stay curious, keep exploring, and let the magic of history unfold before your eyes. This is Pop, signing off. See you in the next adventure. Bye-bye.